In this video, we're going to analyze Ranma Saotome's quote from Ranma 2分の1. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
伝説の修行場、受仙峡。その真の恐ろしさは謎とされていたが。
何が真の恐ろしさだ。やいクソ親父、よくもあんな中国のふざけた修行場へ連れて行ってくれたな。
めめしいぞランマ。
うわっ、
修行のためには命を捨てる覚悟ではなかったのか。
命は捨てても男を捨てる気はなかったわい。
So today's quote is 命は捨てても男を捨てる気はなかったわい。命は捨てても男を捨てる気はなかったわい。命は捨てても is a subordinate clause and 男を捨てる気はなかったわい is the main clause. Let's look at each clause. 命 means life.This wa is a contrastive particle used instead of the o particle in order to contrast inochi with something in the main clause. So let's move on for now, and we will come back to this later. 捨てて is a te form of 捨てる meaning to throw away, and the verb te form followed by mo means but, although, or even if one does something. So 命は捨てても means even if I would throw away my life, or I would give up my life, but, and it's followed by the main clause. 男を捨てる気はなかったわい。男 means man. The o particle indicates the direct object of the verb 捨てる. So, 男を捨てる literally is to throw away man, which can be translated as to give up my manhood. 気 in this case is used to mean intention or motivation. And here is the other contrastive particle wa used instead of the ga particle, and なかった is a past negative form of ある meaning to have. And 気がある following a verb dictionary form means to feel inclined towards doing something or be willing to do something. So 男を捨てる気はなかった means I was not willing to give up my manhood, or I did not want to give up my manhood. So 命 and 男を捨てる気 are compared as he's saying that he would give up his life, but he wasn't willing to give up his manhood. He could also say 命は捨てても男は捨てる気がなかった, which is simply comparing 命 and 男. But the wa particle also has the function of emphasizing the predicate. Let's compare these sentences. If it's 男は捨てる気がなかった, the emphasis goes on to 捨てる気がなかった, meaning I didn't want to give up. And if it's 男を捨てる気はなかった, the emphasis only goes on to なかった, which makes the negation stronger. So it's like I did not want to give up. Lastly, why is the softer and comical version of the sentence ending particle wa, which is used to emphasize your opinion and make it sound more assertive. So today's quote, 命は捨てても男を捨てる気はなかったわい means I would give up my life, but I did not want to give up my manhood. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.